morning, children. Good morning, everyone. So now the class 4. Class 4. That is science subject. We are going to know. So yesterday, the new lesson, that is lesson number 5. We have started that is uses of plants and animals. So yesterday we learned what are the uses of plants and animals. So in how many ways the plants are useful for us. So it may be giving of oxygen. So it may be food items, as well as fruits and vegetables. So here we have learned yesterday so many ways of uses of plants, that may be dried fruits and nuts from the plants we get. So here tea, coffee, sugar, spices. So that also we get from the tea leaves, and it may be coffee beans, that may be, this all may be comes from the plants. Now next we went to the fiber. It comes from the cotton plant, linen and jute. Next, after that, paper, gum and rubber. So after this all we went to the medicine. So from the plants we will get the medicine. Nowadays we are using English medicine. So yesterday some medicines I have matched. Chinchano, tulsi, neem, garlic, chamagora. These are the three plants which we match with the diseases. With the water medicines we will cure the diseases. So next, moving to the page number 36, that is hood. Everyone know what is meant by hood. What is meant by hood? That it is the plants that may be take, we get from the plants only. The hood అంటే చెట్టు యొక్క చాలా దొడ్డుగా ఉంటాయి కొమ్మలు, అవి we will use it for benches, doors, as well as beds, cupboards. This all will use with the help of you. That one will also come from the plants. So now what is meant by wood, now we will learn. Okay, it is used for many purpose. So wood is also used for many purpose. So here it is used as fuel. It is used in making furniture, timber obtained from teak, rosewood, pine, etc. So here he is telling it is used in many purposes. Food is used in many purpose. అంటే చాలా ఉపయోగాలు ఉన్నాయి, ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. అది హౌ మేకింగ్ ఫర్నిచర్ ఆర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫ్యూయల్, అంటే మనం కట్టెలతోని కొన్ని ఇన్ ద ఏషియన్ డేస్ వి యూస్ టు ఫైర్, హౌ వి విల్ ఫైర్ విత్ ద ఫుడ్ ఓన్లీ. కట్టెలు పెట్టి మనము మంట వస్తుంది, ఇంతకు ముందుకు మంట. అలానే ఇప్పుడు కూడా big function we use the fire, use the wood only. Okay, so now here take rosewood. Here is asking take rosewood, pine, etc. These are various items such as doors, windows, frames, musical instruments, furniture boxes, cupboards, etc. These are used with the help of wood that come from the plants. Bamboo and cane are also used for making houses, flutes or baskets. So you will know with the help of bamboo sticks they will make a small hoods. Yesterday in the English lesson 4, that the Sanglis I think so, that is with our house is made up of bamboo. Like that only bamboos are also used for making houses. Flutes అంటే మనము కృష్ణుడికి ఊదుతాం ఫ్లూట్, అవి. నెక్స్ట్ బాస్కెట్స్ ఆల్సో some baskets, with the wood, with the help of a bamboo we will use it. So here completed the wood. The help of plants take, will get the furniture, benches, doors, cupboards, etc. With the help of bamboos will get the houses, making of houses, flutes and baskets. So what is meant by wood, now we have completed. Essence and perfumes. Essence and perfumes. So here with the help of perfume, how we will get essence of perfume, we will learn. Essence and perfumes. Everyone know what is meant by perfume. We use in the body spray. Nowadays we are using certain some oils or essence, that is perfume we use for our body spray. Okay. Certain trees gives resins and ternitile oil. Ternitile oil such a gives resins and turpentine. So here turpentine and resins certain trees will give. Okay. These substances are used for making varnishes and paints. So these are used for varnishes and paints. The flowers and leaves of some plants contain pleasant smelling compounds. Some plants flowers, you know everyone. Some of the plants will get smell, very good smell from the rose, jasmine, chameli, that may be lily. Will get nice smell from the trees. So these compounds are used for perfume. So these flowers they will use for perfume. In the help of perfume they will use these such plants. What flowers we will see? Flower of rose, champa and chameli, jasmine are used to obtain perfume. Rose plants, champa and chameli, everyone know these are the jasmine. They are used for perfumes to obtain the perfume. They use these flowers for perfumes. So next we have completed till here the uses of plants. Plants తో ఏ ఉపయోగాలు ఉన్నాయో మనం ఇప్పటి వరకు చదువుకున్నాం. So again I repeated in the first starting also I repeated once again uses of plants. Now uses of animals. So we have completed the uses of plants till now. Now the uses of animals we are going on. What are the uses of animals? Animals play an important role in our lives. So here he is telling animals play an important role in our life. We get many things from them. So we get many things. Everyone know with the help of animals also we will get so many things. That may be cow, buffalo, we will get milk, except examples. Next hen we will get eggs. Next sheep skin we will get wool. That we will make sweaters. So with that so many kinds of things we will get from animals. Okay. Complete the following sentences. Here given the formative assessment. Some of formative assessment he is given from food. How we will get from food of cow. Here he given first one uses of animals, that is food. So food it is milk. So cow, buffalo and goat gives us what they will give for us. Cow and buffalo milk as well as meat too, that which complete the food. We prepare curd, cheese, butter, ghee and ice creams from the milk. Yes, from the milk we will get what we will prepare: curd, perigu, venna, neyi. This all we will prepare from the milk of cow and buffaloes. We get eggs from the hens and ducks. They are rich in protein. So from where we will get eggs? With the help of hen. Okay. Eggs hens and ducks. They are rich in proteins for us. Okay. So meat is rich in proteins. Here he is telling meat also it is rich in proteins, vitamins, minerals. Minerals ostai, vitamins ostai, proteins ostai. Meat too. We eat the meat of a goat, sheep, chicken and fish. Everyone know that meat, chicken and fish we will eat. These are the rich in vitamin, minerals and proteins. So now we are going to silk, wool and leather. So food has been completed now. So here he given importance of food he told. So that is first one is cow, buffalo, goat he given. Next he told about the rich proteins, eggs. Okay. After that about meat of a goat he told we will get meat, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Next we are going to silk, wool and leather. So everyone know what is meant by silk, wool, leather. Okay. So silk is obtained from the silkworms. You know everyone with the help of silkworms will get silk. A It is a kind of a insect. Silkworm feed from mulberry leaves. These worms produce silk thread, which it was dyed and made into the clothes. Next, it obtained from the hair of a goat, lamb, sheep, yak, etc. Woolen clothes keep us warm during winter. So here, silk is obtained from the silkworms that they feed mulberry leaves. So this worm protects a thread and dyed of made into clothes. Dead on made of a into clothes. So here he obtains from the it obtains wool. It obtains hair of a goat, lamb, sheep, and yak. This will be obtains woolen clothes that they will keep మనకి వెచ్చగా ఉంచుతాయి ఒక woolen clothes from in which during winter season they will keep. So we get wool from where we will get hide of animals such as goat, sheep, and cloth. So leather is used for making shoes, purse, and belts. Everyone know what is meant by wool. Silk nunchi silk oka silk forms we will get from the mulberry leaves. Wool from the sheep, lamb, goat, yak. Next, leather nunchi leather we make shoes, purses, belts. Okay. So now we completed the wool, silk, leather. Next, honey and wax. Honey, tela. Wax, candle wax. So next we are moving to the honey and wax. Honey is the sweetest liquid that made up of honeybees. Everyone know with what we will get honey. Honey beans, teenategal. Honey beans also make wax. It uses these wax making of candles and medicines. Wax, I told you, honey it made for medicines and candles. Wax for manaki medicine and candles also we will. So it is next one is lac. It is one of the insect that yield making of jewelry such as bangles, earrings, etc. It is used for making toys. This lac insect we will see in the seas. We will get jewelers from the jewelry, which gold jewelries such as bangles, earrings, next, etc. And also it is used for making toys. Lac. Next, pearls. You know what is meant by pearls? Mutyalu. So pearls are obtained from the oysters. Oysters are creatures which shell living in the shallow sea. Oyster shell are used for making to make butter. So here pearls, you know everyone, they obtain from the oysters shell. Ayoka gavalo nunchi cheyoka shell. It will be from the seas. It will be obtained from the seas. So it is used for making butters. Some animals work for us. So here uses of animals. Food we have learned. Next, silk, wool, and leather. How we will get from the animals? Next, honey and wax, lac, pearls. These are the uses of animals. Next, we will move to the some animals work for us. So here is telling some animals work. Okay, కొన్ని animals they will work for us. How they will work we will see now. Everyone knows some animals that may be elephant. Okay, main elephant and donkey. They will work for us. They will help for taking a large weight of. Many animals are used for doing heavy work. So it is heavy works. Ante chala ekkuva baruvunu leptayi. Example, it may be that is bullock, elephant, and as well as donkeys. Bullocks are used in agriculture. So nowadays farmers rendu bullock ki oka nagalini kadtaru. So that they will move with the help of that. Okay, that are the buffaloes. They are used for agriculture. Elephant, donkeys, and horses are used for carrying heavy loads. Everyone know elephant will also carry heavy loads. చెక్కలు పెద్ద వుడ్ చెక్కలు కట్ చేసి తన తొండంతో లేపుతారు. అలానే హార్స్ కూడా తన యొక్క ఈపు పైన. సో ఇట్ విల్ ఆల్సో క్యారీ. నెక్స్ట్ డాంకీస్ ఆల్సో సేమ్. దే విల్ క్యారీ హెవీ లోడ్స్. దే విల్ క్యారీ heavy loads. Manure. Everyone know what is meant by manure. So we compare how the animals work for us. Example that may be elephant, donkey, horses, bullocks. Next, manure. It is a dung of a cow, buffalo. Okay, manual అంటే dung. So the animal's dung is used as manure. Manure is very good for the crops. Dried cow dung cakes are used for fuel. Gobar gas is produced from the cow dung mixed with the water and used as fuel. So here the dung uses is uses dung. The animal dung అంటే పెండ, మనం తెలుగులో దాన్ని పెండ అని అంటాం. So dung is used as manure. Manure is very good for the crops. పొలాల పంట పొలాలకి చాలా యూస్ఫుల్. దే విల్ త్రో ఇన్ అట్. ఓకే, దే విల్ త్రో డంగ్ ఆఫ్ అ కౌ. సో డ్రైడ్ అంటే ఎండిపోయిన పిడకలు కొడతారు చాలామంది, మీకు తెలుసు ఊర్లలో. ఆ పిడకలు మనకు ఫ్యూయల్ అంటే మంటలోకి కూడా వాళ్ళు యూస్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు కొన్ని. సో ఇది గోబర్ గ్యాస్కి కూడా చాలా గోబర్ గ్యాస్లో కూడా యూస్ చేస్తారు ఈ ఒక ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ కౌ డంగ్. So is mixed with water and used as a fuel. Mixed with water and used fuel. Okay, this is the use of manure. So these all things, what things we will now learn uses of animals. That is food, from food which we will get cow, buffalo, goat. Next meat. Okay, after that animals nunchi silk, wool, leather గురించి చదవండి. తర్వాత ఇంకో animal honey and wax. Honey. Next pearls. Some animals work for us. Next manure. These are the uses of animals given for us to read and explanation with the explanation. So now we completed the uses of plants and uses of animals. So now at last we completed the lesson, that is uses of plants and animals. So these are the uses that I will taught for you. So now we will go to the summative formative assessment. Now I will move to the summative assessment for you. The first one is bit number 8. The first one is bit number 8. So the first one is bit number 8, that is tick the correct option. So here is asking to pick the correct option. That is number 1. Which of these is a spices? Spices అంటే మీకు ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను. మిరియాలైనా, లవంగాలైనా, దాల్చిన చెక్క, వీటిని స్పైసెస్ అంటారు. ఓకేనా? ఎక్కువగా మనం టేస్టీ ఫుడ్ కోసం యూజ్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి, క్లోవ్స్, పెప్పర్, క్యూమిన్, ఇవన్నీ కూడా స్పైసెస్. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ దీస్. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఆప్షన్ ఈస్ డి, ఆల్ ఆఫ్ దీస్. ద సెకండ్ వన్ ఈస్ విచ్ మెడిసినల్ ప్లాంట్ ఈస్ యూజ్డ్ టు క్యూర్ మలేరియా? చించాను. మనం ఇందాక మనము మ్యాథ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్లో చేసాం. మలేరియాకి క్యూర్ అయ్యేది ఏది? చించాను. ద కరెక్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఈస్ సి, చించాను. Next, silkworms feed on the mulberry leaves. In the silkworm, leather silk మనం చదువుకున్నాం, అది mulberry leaves. Mulberry leaves. The fourth one is pearls are obtained from the oysters. That is also C, oysters. Rearing of honeybees is called apiculture. That is apiculture. That is also C, apiculture. Apiculture. That are the 5 options. That is first one is D, C, 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 C. So these are the all of these: Chinchana, mulberry, oysters, apiculture. This is the tick the right options. That is bit number 8. So as well, same bit number B is answer the following questions are there. So that you have to do it at the home in rough notebook. Okay, you have to do it in the rough notebook. Okay, bit number B. So now I am going to bit number C. That is solve the puzzle. Cross. So here is given the puzzle. So question answers bit number A. That have you have to do bit number A in the rough notebooks. Bit number B. Question and answers. That is page number 38. So we have to do homework. Okay. That is the homework. Do in the rough notebooks. Why do all living things depend on green plants? Why do we need to eat fruits and vegetables? And what does a dry fruits contain? Name some food items obtained from plants. From where do we get silk? These are the 5 question answers that you have to write in your rough notebook. Next, this is bit number C. Is asking to solve the following crosswords with the help of giving clues. Sweet liquid made by bees, that is honey. The first one is honey. The first one is honey. H-O-N-E-Y. The second one is common flowers used for making perfume and refreshing drink. Rose. R-O-S-E. Rose. The third one is very foolish. The third one is, where is third one? The stem of these plants. The stem of these plants is very sweet. Sugar cane. Sugar cane. The third one is. The fourth one is, these tree produce gum. Acacia. Acacia. The fifth one is, these substances are used to varnish and paints. Which substances? That is fifth one. Resins. The sixth one is medicine which is used for malaria. So the seventh one is a plant whose buds is used as spices. The seventh one is cotton. The eighth one is, the seventh one is cloves. Cloves. The eighth one is fiber is used to towels and bed sheets. Cotton. The ninth one is a tall grass used for making paper, furniture, etc. Bamboo. Then a common beverage, that is 10th one, coffee. So these are the 10 given to here puzzle. We given solve the following crosswords with the help of given clues. Given here clues. So honey, this cotton, this sugar cane trees, how it obtains. The first one honey, rose, sugar cane. You write down in this puzzle words. Here first one honey, rose, sugar cane, acacia. Next is cotton, bamboo, coffee. This you write down here. So this is the completion of the lesson. That we have completed uses of plants and animals. How we have learned in the from starting to. So I given for you homework to do that is short homework. That is write the question answers. Right? Question answers in your rough notebook with the help of textbook. It is very easy. So they are very easy. First, second, third, fourth. I repeated your question answers also. That are very easy. So now we have completed the lesson number 5 also. So children, with the help of textbooks we can learn very easily. So please, if you have textbooks, it is very easy to read. So thank you children. Thank you very much for listening my lesson carefully.